Welcome to the online radio and television station. Here are the news today. According to the Ministry of Health, Vietnam has ordered COVID-19 vaccines from various partners, including Russia and the UK. Information given at the regular press conference in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs said that vaccine delivery depends on the manufacturer's schedule, clinical trials, as well as the pre-release testing protocol. In addition to the epidemic prevention and control, the government of Vietnam always directs relevant authorities to carry out research to produce vaccines in the country urgently. At the same time, they were promoting cooperation with reputable companies and partners in the production and supply of vaccines in the world to have vaccines in a shorter time. At the same time, Vietnam has also developed policies and regulations to support the rapid reception, transportation, storage, distribution, and use of vaccines when they are available. Vietnam aims to be in the top 5 largest fruit and vegetable exporting countries in the world. This is a remarkable target in the TRAP project to develop the fruit and vegetable processing industry for the period of 2021 to 2030, drafted by the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. Accordingly, the export turnover of vegetables and fruits reached 8 to 10 billion USD per year. The proportions of the export turnover value of processed fruit and vegetable products reached 30%. Also, the processing capacity of vegetables and fruits reached 2 million tons per year, doubling the current number. This is also a notable target in the TRAP project for the development of fruit and vegetable processing industry in the period of 2021 to 2030, drafted by the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development and submitted to the Prime Minister for approval soon. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has urged UK businesses and people to get ready for a no-deal Brexit scenario later this year and suspend ongoing negotiations with the European Union. Prime Minister Johnson said the EU has not been in serious negotiations in the past few months, and the EU summit in Brussels has rejected the options of signing with the UK a free trade agreement like the one the EU has signed with Canada. Therefore, Mr. Johnson said that unless there are fundamental change in EU approach, the UK needs to prepare for no-deal scenario in relations with the EU from the 1st of January 2021, when Brexit transition ended. Responding to the latest statement from the British Prime Minister, the EU maintains its stance as stated in the joint statement at the Brussels summit that the UK needs to accept concessions on 3 crucial topics: fishing rights, corporate governance, and fair competition. The town hall of Joe Biden was seen more by the American people than that of President Donald Trump. This is a statistic that has just been published by the information, data, and measurement firm Nielsen. Mr. Trump's town hall was broadcast on NBC and 2 affiliated channels, MSNBC and CNBC, but the number of viewers accumulated from these channels was not equal to the number of viewers of Mr. Biden on ABC alone. The 2 events together took place at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on October the 15th. Trump's town hall lasted for an hour, and Biden's event lasted 90 minutes. According to Nielsen, Trump's town hall attracted 10.9 million viewers on NBC. On MSNBC, 1.8 million people followed Trump, and on CNBC, it is about 720,000. Thus, Trump's total audience on the 3 channels is 13.5 million, less than Biden's 14.1 million. CNN says this is a result almost nobody in the television industry thinks about. The ABC employees were also surprised by the results, and Biden allies wonder if Trump was angry or not. That is the end of the news today. Thank you for tuning in.